So, sabi nga po natin, ang pag-exercise ay should be lifestyle. Should be a lifestyle. You do it hanggat maaari po, gawin po natin siyang everyday. Kung tigmaikli lang, 15 minutes or 5 minutes, tigmaikli. Do it for 5 or 10 minutes. But if you are doing it for a long time, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, then we can do it best alternately. For example, Monday, you can exercise, then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, no. It's gonna be alternate when you do exercise. So, ayun. Exercise is good for our health. Hi, Edmondia. Hello, who is that? Hello, who is that? Bristol. Hello, Bristol. At Bristol. Thanks for coming. Hello, Bristol. I hope you can do some exercise with me. It's a very simple exercises. Just reaching out, tummy tuck, and like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ayun, ganun lang po. Simple lang muna sa una. Okay, always sit with your tummy tuck para always in shape. And of course, exercise with a diet also. Always be mindful of the foods that we eat. So there are times that we do not look or we do not control the food that we eat. We need to control the food that we eat. Kino-control din po natin yan. I can't cause I'm in the hospital. I'm paralyzed from bottom to waist. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that, Bristol. But coming here is already, I'm very thankful already. Thank you for coming here. Thanks. Bristol. Your presence is already a blessing for me. Thanks, Bristol. From what country are you, Bristol? Will Fuentes. Mega love shout out, Will. Will Fuentes, thank you for coming. USA, okay. Everyone makes fun of me. I have to be in a wheelchair. I'm sending my love to you. I feel you, Bristol, and I really am sending my love to you. The good vibes, the positivity, and still the faith that it's still very good to be living here on earth. So don't feel that I am laughing at you. Nobody laughs at you. We all accept one another in this channel. In this channel, there is no gender issue, no racism, no discrimination, no prejudice to the people who cannot do exercise. Just your mere presence in my channel is already accepted, okay? So, accepted ko na po. As long that as you are here na nagsusupport sa akin, you are already blessed, you are already highly appreciated. So, Bristol, cheer up, Bristol. No, I'm not. Okay, I'll make you happy. I will not make you cry. I'll make you happy. So look at me. I'm smiling. I would like you I would like to be happy. Actually, in our channel, I like it to be happy. Everyone, kahit yung mga Filipinos who are watching right now, may mga Filipino rin po watching right now. Yeah, let's laugh. Because laughter is the great medicine. Yes, laughter is the great medicine. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Laugh and the whole world will laugh at you. Cry and the whole world will cry at you. So, happy lang po tayo lagi. Always happy. Bristol, I'm so happy you are here. I don't know if you are telling me the truth. But as long as you are here in my channel, I am welcoming you. Highly appreciated. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. I love you. You love me. We are the YouTube family. Thank you for coming here and watching me. I appreciate you coming here. I love you. You love me. Where are YouTube family? I appreciate you coming here. You are all welcome in this channel. I don't know how to sing that. I'm telling the truth, I promise. I believe you. Yes, I believe you. So maraming salamat. I will just talk Filipino to the Filipino people who are watching right now. I am saluting everyone who has faith in their heart, the love in their heart. As long as you have the love, you know, love, 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 love. And the love will shine through. And the love will cover and spread everyone. Spread all the people in the world. Because we are a lover, not a fighter. Okay? My phone is about to die, so I'm about to have to leave. I'm sorry. It's okay, no problem. No problem. It's okay. Anyway, thank you very much, Bristol. And thank you very much for the others who are there in the other platform. You are all welcome here. Okay, let's continue with our exercise.